As far as my generation is hung low on the ropes of destruction as young fools get high off ecstasy. Expressing elevated expressions that feebly float the cloud -12 where after the drugs is finished, life is hell. X marked the spot. And I feel like I'm standing in the spot where Malcolm X stopped because he had dreams that bullets did and end of an age, end of an era, end of a saga. We subscribe to scribes and were schooled by scholars. No longer do we read, define, or have the need to define as our roots and our cultures are being redefined. The structures of worth and value are in design to be redesigned, bubble wrapped in ignorance and shipped out to feeble minds. So listen. This is a message for these lost souls. And I'll continue to spit the truth even if I gotta tell it in Morse code, so listen. Before you judge this book by its black cover, I'm here to tell you that God loves you. So whatever chapter in this book you turn the page on, read between the lines, see the truth, and stay calm. I'll rage on because they killed Trayvon, and I'll continue to snap back in this new era of slavery thought to be way gone, so listen. I'm the one in this matrix, remixing the sights and the sounds because the masses of these slave ships got these two chains on. One around the neck, other on the mental. It was deemed the mind demented, crafted by a mind of cruel intentions to have us as a people stuck at a standstill. It was the oppressor's will to oppress us at will, so question, why are we still stuck at a standstill? Is it just this that there's injustice? I mean, I won't stand still until there's justice.